to absorb sufficient digested food particles or substance. Am I making sense at all? Please, are you grabbing this point?
Yes, sir.
Then now, why is it called small intestine? That is questions you are going to encounter in JAM too. It is called small intestine because of the small diameter. Do you understand? Because of the size, small diameter. Large intestine are larger in diameter. Do you understand? So the small intestine has smaller diameter than large intestine. That's why it is referred to as small intestine. Is that okay? Then the next, we have the sebaceous gland. Sebaceous gland is found under the skin. Alright? They secrete an oil-like substance called sebum. Called what? Sebum. This is one of the examples of subcutaneous gland. When I say subcutaneous means things that are found under the skin. Cutaneous means what? Skin. Many of us have heard of cutaneous respiration, right? Have you heard of cutaneous respiration? Which organism is with cutaneous respiration? Toad or frog. Mostly amphibians. Take note of that. Do you understand? Mostly amphibians because they have soft and moist skin. These are the features you should know about amphibians. But the reason why they are referred to as amphibians is because they have double life. They can live in water and they can live on land. Amphi in amphibians. Amphi means what? Double. Bians is right from the word bios, which means in biology, life. Alright? Okay, that is by doing about that. Then also know that toads also exhibit buccal respiration. It's very important. So that's all I can tell you for now about this. So this is the topic of today. The topic now we are going to look at now is endocrine gland. Gland without duct. Where is duster? Who knows what kind of hanky? Okay, no, I will not listen. When I did nervous system, for those of you that attended my last class here, I think the topic, okay, my last class was plant hormones and plant response, right? Okay, well, I think I've done this topic with you guys here. I think one time, I've done this topic this year. Nervous system. Haven't I done nervous system here? This pituitary gland. Please, are you following? Yes. The hormones, if you know about the hypothalamus, get their way to this part of the pituitary gland. Now, what is their function there? That hormone will stimulate these cells. The hormone will stimulate these cells. Listen. The hormone stimulated by the hypothalamus here, the name is hypophysiotropic hormone. But please, I will not mention every name for you because the exam is already closed. Okay? I may not. Okay? But the name is hypophysiotropic hormone. In case if you see that in testing, don't be scared. It's not a big something. Alright? Now these hormones here, once it acts here, it will cause this cell to secrete and synthesize hormones. Do you understand? It will cause that cells to synthesize and secrete hormones called growth hormone releasing hormone. Why is it called growth hormone releasing hormone? It is so called because it stimulates the the synthesis and release of growth hormone. Are we good? It is called growth hormone releasing hormone because this is the hormone that causes the synthesis and release of growth hormones. Okay? Where is growth hormone produced? The growth hormones are synthesized in the liver and in the thyroid gland. Hope you know that, right? Now here we have gonad releasing hormones. Okay? This is gonad releasing hormone. The hormone that stimulates the gonad to cause the synthesis and secretion of gonad hormones. Am I making sense at all?
Yes.
It is called gonad releasing hormone because this guy here is the hormone that stimulates the gonad. Okay? Look, for example, now. This is gonad here. Alright? It stimulates the gonad to cause the synthesis and secretion of gonad hormones or the sex hormones. Do you understand? What are the sex hormones? The sex hormones are the testosterone, progesterone, and the estrogen. Do you understand? So this guy here is called gonad releasing hormone because it acts on the gonad to cause the release of estrogen, progesterone, and testosterone. Do you understand? Do you understand?
Yes, I understand.
Now, this is thyroid releasing hormones. Alright?
Yes.
Thyroid releasing hormones. Listen, they are called thyroid releasing because they cause the release of thyroid hormones. Do you understand?
Yes.
They stimulate and cause the secretion and release of thyroid hormones. What is the thyroid hormones? Thyroid hormones are two in number. We have them as the T3 and the T4. And if you have the handout, you will see the expression there. T3 and T4. The T4 is the active, T3 is inactive, right? Then this T4 is popularly known as what? Thyroxine. Is that okay? So whenever you hear thyroxine, know that it has a friend called T3, which is triiodothyronine. Then T4 is tetraiodothyronine, but it's not pronounced like that in your textbooks. We popularly refer them as what? Thyroxine. Do you understand? Then these hormones are follicle stimulating hormones and luteinizing hormones. Okay? When we are going to look at the production, I will tell you the functions of these hormones. Do you understand? It is called follicle stimulating hormones because it stimulates a follicle, right? Now this is the hormone that triggers ovulation. Do you understand? LH, which is luteinizing hormone, triggers ovulation. Okay? Luteinizing hormones. Are we okay? Now this guy here is adrenocorticotropic hormone. Should I write it through? This is adrenocorticotropic hormone. Whenever I hear this word, adrenocortico, look here. Attention everybody. You know that above the kidney, right? These are the kidney. These are the kidney, right? We have a gland here. We have a gland here, right? It is called adrenocorticotropic because it acts on the adrenal gland. That is where we have the name adrenal. It acts on the gland called what? Adrenal gland. Are we good? Then in this adrenal gland here, the same thing applicable to the kidney here. The adrenal gland, we have the outer part. In the kidney, we have the outer part. Okay? Are we good? Then in the adrenal gland here we have the inner part, and here we have the inner part. The same thing goes to the brain. You know how the human brain is now?